Okay, here's the one we were up in the attic looking at the foam insulation, and he does have a leak in here. His gutter's got to get replaced. It's pretty shot on this side here. But I went up on the ladder, and there's a lot of shingles that are nailed wrong on this right side. Looks like some patching was done at the back. So we can either address the what do you call it, the nailing there, or yeah, go in, or the what do you call it? I don't know why she was waiting for me. Also, I noticed there's roof vents out here. I don't think those are cut in the attic up there, unless they got them packed with insulation, but they're fruitless. Either way, they'll work over in the heated area. So probably just about that second roof vent in is where it is. It's actually encapsulated, and it's got a ceiling and insulation. But they've had some ice damage over here too, so this outside does need some attention. So I'm gonna recommend doing these gutters out here, along with the lifting and renailing and setting the joints, the butt joints together and proper of the shingles on the right side. That's what we want to do.